Welcome back, guys, CryptoFly channel. Today I want to talk about chart others. So this is not some special token, it's others. It's a crypto capitalization of all tokens. Here, when you type it, others, it's a crypto total market cap excluding top 10 and the dollars. Got it. So it's capitalization of all altcoins excluding the top 10. So in top 10, I guess it's USDT, right? The BTC, Ethereum, XRP, and all of these top tokens. So this is capitalization of all low, middle cap altcoins at this current moment. So it's on the level of, let's say, September 2021. What is good? What is bad? This chart we track since basically 2022, I guess, or 2023. So here was a top, all-time high, by my personal opinion, it was a May 2021. After that, it was just a sweep of the high. Support, sweep the high, collapse it down, 27 block. By the way, this is how the oldest chart since February 14 looks like. And here, we bounced it from the 27, even the level, I guess, right? It was a pretty low capitulation here, till penny. 69, almost 70 billion. We bounce it to a high, but not new all-time high. What is good and what is bad, guys? The bad moment is we can drop this summer lower to sweep this low, like 175 billion capitalization, and this low to test the zero level. If something extraordinary will happen in the market, some black swan again, and the money after the all-time high on the BTC will not inflow into altcoins. Just in case, I don't want to tell you and I don't want to scare you. It will happen. No, it's just possible. It's just possible. I don't see any reason why it should happen. But we can drop even once again to this block and form just global monthly double bottom, and only in the next cycle we will hit the capitalization over then, I guess, 70 billion, right? It can be the double bottom. I don't think so this scenario will happen, right? I'm more about the new all-time high, like capitalization 600 billion this time, because anyway, we can't drop further down. A lot of tokens so undervalued now, a lot of, and only just a few of them perform pretty good one. Almost even the all these brand new tokens which exist in the market with airdrop system, some 24, some 25, lay down at the bottom. Omni, for example, dump it from $50 to $2. It's craziness. The Starknet, the Layer Zero, a lot of projects, only basically the Jupiter hold the line pretty strong. But Altlayer, ZK, all of them lay down at the bottom, and it's hard to say, are they recover back or not? That's why I think we will hit the new all-time high on others this cycle. I don't think so it's going to be the like 1 trillion capitalization. No, I'm more than conservative because I totally understand. Not all altcoins, firstly, will hit the new all-time high, one take. Next one, not all tokens will recover like 5,000% gains, 10,000% gains, and all of this stuff. It just will be the money rotating. So some tokens perform after that, like Mantra. The token most likely will not hit again the high price targets over than $10. Let's be real, because we already pump it 36,000% gains. The people fixed the profit, the team maybe fixed the profit, dump the token from $9 to 30 cents. Now I'm waiting for pump to later to form the head and shoulder pattern to pump to $3.80, for example, and that's it. And maybe it's going to be the end of cycle for this token. But in general, yes, this token made 36,000% gains on centralized exchanges from 2 cents to $9. It's craziness. But people anyway will complain about it because they stuck at $5, at $7, at $9. But it is what it is. The altcoin season, like you want to, like people love to say, happened for this token. Let's be real. So we can't blame the token. And that's why I think, yes, we will see. And now we have to break the 0.5 level by fib of this global one and not dump to these liquidity pools. In this case, yes, we should go higher. Anyway, this is also liquidity pool. This liquidity pool. So we need to see some money outflow from the BTC, and BTC dominance going down. So the money can inflow into alts, right? After that, for example, this can be the end of summer. When we hit the 60 billion market capitalization, yes, after that, the money from that pumped alts, not all of them, can start inflow into BTC, and the BTC can hit the new all-time high again. And maybe we'll see another impulse to the top, 878 billion market capitalization. It's hard to say is it possible or not, but guys, everything possible in crypto. Like a global conclusion, yes, I believe in new all-time high for others. Chart when, I don't know. Would be good to see this summer or autumn. If not, spring 2026. It's a good idea to try to predict the timing, weekly time frame. So here is a top. Here's, take a look how accurate it works. Here, till penny tested here, till penny rejected at 78. Drop it down, bounce. Even on the line chart will not break the structure here, this one, and collapse it down again to 23. Now we hold the line at between 38, 0.5. Sometimes, for me personally, it's more than enough, 1 fib, if we determine the fibs correctly, to track all this data for the next 2 years, for example. So this is it. Somebody can draw the channels. I'm not a fan of channels, right? Where that channels? Oh, I guess it here. So the problem with the channels here, how we should start the channel. All right, we can start it here. For someone, it's this channel. For someone, it can be this channel, like this one. So where the true? We can't know. That's why, guys, I so rarely use the channels because we can't know where the starting point. There's many variation how we can draw the channels, and after the fact, all of them can be right, right? The worst case scenario, guys, it can be the head and shoulder pattern, new bear market to the bottom here. And yes, it's possible also here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder can be at the yearly test, yearly open test, drop, head and shoulder, and collapse will be exactly to this level again. I hope guys, it will not happen and we will see something like this one, right? Because if it will happen, I guess over than 50% of tokens will be just vanished, just destroyed on this market. So I hope we will test yearly open, hold the line, some sideways, and new all-time high. This is it. But keep in mind, even without the any analysis, you can find out. So it's possible to see the weekly head and shoulder, left, head, yearly open, usually like a magnet, and at this point, at 336 billion market capitalization, we should be so careful. Take a look, guys, with my customer said. What's going on now? Here was accumulation, and here's accumulation. So that was the main accumulation zone. Now we're just in the middle. So it's hard to say, is it bullish or bearish? Definitely, this is not a distribution on the weekly. So definitely, I truly believe in the new all-time high, for the other charts. Also, it can be the divergence. So here, if we track the divergence like that one, here, it can be the divergence at the top. So here was the top, and it can be like this one, for example. Or like this. So it can be another one, the third one wave, like to 6 billion market capitalization direction. Gonna hit the top again, and we collapse it down into bear market. Based on direction, now it's not a time to sell. Time to sell was here, and here. On alts, now it's just some positive, not aphoria, some positive. And also you can see there is no aphoria even for the BTC. Nobody care. Nobody even care. Money power. Here's money outflow. Now no money inflow, nothing. No money inflow, no money outflow. Trade on. Buy for Altcoin was in summer 2022, and yes, a lot of alts perform. Injective perform, hit new all-time high. Solana perform, OM perform, Sui. So a lot of altcoins yes perform pretty good on that. Even the XRP perform, because at this time it's different, totally different, guys. A lot of tokens exist during this last 4 years, I guess, and 3 years. A lot of meme tokens. We gotta pump fund. There's not enough liquidity to pump all of the, altcoins. Here was a signal to sell, buy back. I'm more about the more chances, more reasons I see to hit the all-time high. The take profit line can be rejection at here. A 61 level FIB with a weak candle. It can be the test of yearly open, and after that we have to take a look. Are we reject and go into the new bear market, and many altcoins will be just disappeared and destroyed, or we break the exit line again and hit the new all-time high. Guys, this is it. And yes, of course, it looks scary. It looks scary, definitely. Monthly charts. Here we bounce it from the take profit, like support. Buy line on the monthly time frame, now it's the same 27 zone. This is also kind of scary. 12 daily time frame, now we try and reject it. And now we try breaking out the 0.5 level FIB, and I wish to see the take profit line, exit line, yearly open and exit line. It's possible to see even the by end of May. What will happen in the next 3 months? It's hard even imagine. So let's say here, if we talk about a date, guys, I don't want to scare you, but take a look. At 126 days, we dump it. And imagine if we drop, let's say from end of May, another 126 days, it can be the end of September, it's more than enough to see the same dump. Bam, bam. Kind of scary, right? It's really kind of scary. That's why, guys, be careful, and that's why I always recommend you to withdraw initial deposit and when you invest in some altcoin. Now it's kind of risky. I hope, I repeat again, I hope I'm like investor, not just like moon boy, right? No, I like investor. I hope we will see the breakout and go to a new all-time high, because maybe now it's just total disbelief in the market and nobody believes the altcoins can pump. But that's a worst case scenario possible. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in the comment what do you think about the altcoin season. Will we see the altcoin season this year or the next one? And what is your targets for others? If you'd like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.